story came in, which is absolutely beautiful. This woman who I taught Reiki, she's an art teacher, and she teaches teenage boys art who have special needs, shall we say. And this one boy was in a wheelchair, and he couldn't really talk very much. And she was, trying to show him some art to do. And he was getting very, very agitated. And so she thought to herself, there's something I can do. I'm going to send him Reiki. So she just actually had her hands and was beaming him Reiki. And all of a sudden, his whole energy shifted and he became quiet and peaceful. And the next time he came to class, and he doesn't talk much, but he said to her, "More calm, please." It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
And they've developed this relationship now.